Kenya has basically an agricultural-based economy where about 1/3 of the GDP is contributed directly by agriculture. And moreover, around 30% of the GDP is contributed indirectly through agriculture. Agriculture employs over 40% of the total population. And the beauty is that over 70% of these jobs are in the rural areas. So you can see the importance of agriculture. And for us to ensure that we are food secure, it means that we have to start from the soil, which is basically the storehouse for our nutrients and water, air. So it's important that we start from there. Hence, a comprehensive soil information system will certainly go a long way to ensuring that we become food secure, that we produce enough food.
Access to data is crucial for informed decision-making. A soil information system efficiently manages, analyzes, and disseminates soil data at national level. A robust soil information system collects, stores, and serves soil data and enables decision and policy supports to address food and nutrition security, land conservation and rehabilitation, and climate change resilience.
The agrarian economy drives everything in the country, and at the moment the agricultural productivity has been declining, and this is because of various reasons, particularly soil degradation. And when we talk about soil degradation, we are talking about issues of soil acidity, soil nutrient depletion, and also erosion. So for us to be able to address these problems, then we need soil information that is reliable and that is of high quality.
Having a national soil information system for Kenya is really important because, one, it would bring a centralized place where we have accessible data on matter soils. So whether it is soil nutrients maps, whether it is recommendations and so on, which is very, very necessary because we have a lot of information and it's all over the place. So having a soil information system brings all this information together. It makes it accessible, it makes advisory better, it makes policy making even easier because you have all that information there.
The development of a national soil information system goes beyond the mere deployment of digital tools. It is a critical process that requires strong collaboration among stakeholders to create and implement strategies that address local needs. While the importance of these systems is widely recognized, they still encounter significant challenges. Issues such as data quality, governance, funding, policy engagement, and capacity strengthening must be tackled to ensure that a soil information system can effectively support sustainable soil management and decision-making.
For many years, we have had disjointed efforts in matters soil health management, where different organizations have been implementing different activities without consulting each other. Having a pool of soil information data will be very critical so that we can only move resources towards addressing the gaps.
It's really a matter of national security that we look after our lands and are able to monitor our soils in an effective way. I think many soil mapping campaigns previously have been carried out, but the data is often fragmented and sometimes not usable. The methods are different, the process is different, the output is different, and the objectives can often be different. So I think with Kensis, we see a very clear framework that we can apply to enable us to build a sustainable soil management or soil information platform for the future.
Recognizing the importance of a national soil information system, Maccabi and ISRIC have developed a soil information system framework validated through international consultations, notably in Zambia, Ghana, and Kenya. The aim of this workshop is to deepen these reflections, share the lessons learned, and explore together solutions for a sustainable and effective soil information system.
The staff that are behind the SIS website needs to also change with the times and improve their technical expertise in providing the information, in synthesizing the information, and in collecting more information so that we can use these techniques, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so on. And then the last bit of it in terms of sustainability is also linking up with other seas in the world. You know, you want to see whether there are new things that you can benefit from by backlinking with Africa Seas or Africa Union Soil Observatory, European Union Soil Observatory, and things like that.
Throughout the 2 days, workshop participants engaged in rich discussions, shared technical expertise, and contributed valuable inputs to build a comprehensive and actionable roadmap. This collective effort is vital in addressing key agricultural challenges, ensuring sustainable soil management, and ultimately improving food security in Kenya. The insights gathered during this workshop will serve as a guiding framework for future initiatives in soil management and fertilizer use, paving the way for enhanced productivity and a more resilient agricultural sector in Kenya.
This workshop has really been useful. And one area that I'm affected, especially in the field of my work, is the area of subsidized fertilizer. During the workshop, there has been a proposal that we are going to pilot the Kenya Soil Information System on the subsidized fertilizer. So once this happens, it will help us in terms of addressing certain gaps that were realized previously. One of them would be in terms of formulation, getting the right formulation for specific areas and specific crops. And that way, it will also be able to direct the suppliers of certain plants to areas of need. And then the other thing is that during the workshop, we had an opportunity also of networking. Various players in the industry and even people who are actually involved in soil nutrient management aspects from across the globe.
The next step that I think we need to do is to ensure that we look for various partners like we have done in this particular workshop. We've been able to engage ourselves with various partners, and we are very grateful for ISRIC for the effort they have made on their part. But I believe now that we have demonstrated our ability, they'll continue adding us more or help us look for more partners so that we can have more resources to this. And the other issue that the next step that we think we need, as I said, is that we will look at the policy landscape as far as systems and data is concerned. There is a lot of data laws that may need to be relooked at so that we are within the law when it comes to sharing data, storing data, and collecting data. And we need to build a very robust monitoring, participatory monitoring and evaluation framework that will ensure that we build confidence, the users build confidence in this, because we continually improve, we continually collect, and we continually satisfy ourselves that it works.